You are standing in a cramped, dark mechanical room. Your old analog gauges are swinging wildly. You find yourself squinting at those tiny little lines on the dial. It is a nightmare. This is exactly where the shift toward digital tools becomes a total game changer for anyone working on air conditioning. We are looking at a digital manifold tester that has been making waves lately. It is a budget-friendly piece of gear. It promises to do the heavy lifting for you. This tool takes the guesswork out of the equation. You get high side and low side pressure readings right on a bright screen. No more manual math. No more carrying around paper charts for over 90 different types of refrigerants. It is all right there in the internal database. The build quality actually surprises people at first. It has these solid metal ports. They feel rugged enough for a messy job site. The color-coded hose connections keep things organized. That matters when you are tired and just want to get the job done. But let's be real for a second. This is not an industrial powerhouse. The outer shell is mostly plastic. It lacks that heavy-duty finish you see on tools that cost 5 times as much. For a DIY enthusiast or a technician just starting out, that might not be a deal breaker. The speed of diagnostics is the real draw here. You can see evaporation and condensation temperatures instantly. It even handles vacuum testing. This is crucial when you're trying to find a leak or prep a system for a fresh charge. However, there are some trade-offs you have to consider. Digital means batteries. If you forget to charge it or the power runs out mid-job, you are stuck. There is also a slight lag. When you turn a valve, the screen might take a split second to catch up. For a seasoned pro, that delay can be annoying. Precision is another talking point. This tool is great for standard residential work. It gives you a clear picture of what is happening inside the lines. But if you are working on a massive commercial refrigeration unit, you might want something more stable. These sensors can drift over time. You have to keep an eye on calibration. Some old school techs still swear by their analog needles. They like the physical movement. They like seeing the needle jump. But the sheer convenience of a digital readout is hard to ignore. It simplifies the whole process. You can explain the data to a customer much easier when it is a clear number on a screen. It feels modern. It feels efficient. The question always comes down to value. Is it a professional tool or a fancy gadget? It lands somewhere in the middle. It is a legitimate, functioning piece of equipment. It does exactly what it is supposed to do. It just does it with a bit less polish than the top-tier brands. Think of it as a reliable entry point into the world of digital HVAC diagnostics. It is perfect for training. It is perfect for home repairs. It might not be the last tool you ever buy, but it gets you into the game without breaking the bank. You get a lot of versatility for a fraction of the cost. Just do not expect it to survive a 10-foot drop onto concrete. Treat it well and it will likely return the favor. It is about finding the right balance for your specific needs. If you want speed and simplicity, this digital set delivers. It turns a complex set of readings into a manageable stream of data. That alone is worth the price of admission for many people. It feels like the industry is moving this way anyway. Carrying around a bulky folder of pressure temperature charts is becoming a thing of the past. Having 90 different profiles at your fingertips saves so much time. You can jump from an automotive repair to a home unit without missing a beat. That kind of flexibility is rare in budget equipment. You just have to be mindful of the quirks. Keep spare batteries in your truck. Check the calibration against a known source once in a while. If you can handle those minor chores, the tool will serve you well. It is an honest piece of kit. It does not pretend to be something it is not. It offers a clear path to faster, smarter repairs. And in this line of work, time is exactly what we are trying to save.